Go. All right. So let's just go into edit again. It's still ticking over. Let's hit it again. Let's just see what it does do. All right. So it's going to load the message now. I might just close down some of these other windows just in case it's. I'll close that.
That's good. We got to the bottom of the problem, mate.
Yeah, I'm glad.
The challenge.
Because that's gonna give me the basically the green light to do the next ad campaign with Chris.
Every single person out of 14,000 people in our business, you've got the best guy that could help you do this.
Look, I'm so privileged, and I said that from the very start, Albie. This is meant to happen, and all this stuff that isn't going straight forward.
Yeah.
It's just a little bumper, but I'll be able to tell someone else later on because you know.
That's right. What's hard learned is easy taught.
The team and the system is just amazing.
It is. It kind of feeds off itself.
So I'm just scrolling through until I find my first link. Now that might not be obvious to you that it's a link.
This was actually, and I wondered how can I edit this.
Now this is in the.
This is in the new.
Oh, this is all in the new editor.
New editor. Yeah.
Why can't I edit that? I thought these all imported into the old editor still, even though people have them.
You wrote them in the old editor.
Yeah, but normally. Hang on.
It recognises it as a link.
There we go. I just need to do that. So let me go up and have a look at the link. Okay. See, okay, this does use the global text snippets.
Okay.
So it's got watch this, and what I did, I'll just click off this.
Yeah, I thought it did.
So for some reason I had to click in here first to activate this box. Then I can highlight the bit of text or the image here that has a hyperlink. Go up to the hyperlink icon in the top there, and it'll show me what's here. So you'll see that it's using the protect yourself URL or page as part of the Protections of Gold, and then uses the global text snippets. So that's why it's important to have that set. So it is using it. All we need to do is go back and check the global text snippet and make sure that it is your Carrot Bars username. You've got that correct.
Okay.
Which I think it was, but
which we fixed.
We fixed it in the sales funnel.
Yeah.
But we need to make sure, and I'm going to do this right now before we forget. Let's go back into list options. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click it and open it in a new tab. So it means I don't have to get out of that. You can have multiple tabs of AWeber open. I use it between broadcast and because every time I broadcast an email, and this is a trick that I know Albie does, every time I broadcast it, I modify a little bit and make it a follow-up. So every time I broadcast something new, I'm adding to my follow-ups. I might take out the time specific, like a Happy Easter message like I did the other week. When I do my follow-ups, I'll take the Happy Easter out, but I'll leave the content of the message. So every time I'm broadcasting the list, I'm just building my follow-ups.
Every time I do a broadcast, it always ends up as a follow-up. You know, because why would you do two,
different ones?
Because it's
activate your brain again.
It'll become applicable to another person that signs up.
Okay. We've imported this. We forgot to edit it again. So I've gone back in the global text snippets because we did import it. We need to edit that again. So if you want to go ahead and edit that, I'll get you to do that. And you're just going to make sure you hit update on every single line.
Yeah.
You could actually just delete that one. Okay. No.
Oh.
Do I click on the edit field? The edit?
Oh, yeah.
You don't delete that one.
Type in your Carrot Bars username. I think it's all lowercase. Is it?
So does that matter too? Do you think?
Just to make sure.
Just do it same.
We can test it anyway.
Yep. So don't update. Yep. And then edit again. Edit, not the cross. Yep. Put in your Skype ID.
It'll probably pop up.
Is that supposed to be an underscore or a dash?
Sorry, these are underscores.
Okay. I don't use the Skype ID. I manually just put that in my emails. I forgot that I had a snippet for it. The most important thing is your username. Okay, and that's fine.
Okay.
So now we need to save that setting. Okay, good.
So that goes now into every
email where you've used that has that embedded somewhere or that code embedded. It'll always go back and grab your first name or your actual Carrot Bars username and put it in there.
Okay.
Including the protection through gold
website
links,
and then
all those
with
links.
the equal sign, and then it's my username.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I take that mouse and drive, so I'll close that window just so I know where I am. What I'll do is I want to get out of that message. I'll just actually I'll just save that, and I want to just go back into it again because we've done those snippets. I want to make sure
that they're actually recognized.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care about that. All right, so we're back here. Let's go edit again. Now, let me just check this camera. It's only got a 30-minute recording time.
Oh, okay.
Each
What, you recording in high definition? Or?
Yeah, I am actually. Oh yeah, it's already stopped. I don't know when that stopped. So.
What's the size of the card?
I've got 232 gigs.
Does it take 2 cards?
No, but I've got a spare one.
Okay. Oh, 32 gig.
Yeah, 32 gig.
You get about 15 minutes on a 16 gig. That's right. So you got about a half an hour on.
It's not the card size. The half an hour is, I think it's about 8 gig. Half an hour. I did for tennies the other day. Yeah. I don't need to do it at full HD. 720 would be fine.
And you can have, like, if you need that after, you can have it too. For if it helps for anyone else. If you need to sort of show someone how to do this stuff.
All right, so let's go back to this. Watch this. Now I need to. Where's the edit button up top? See, I don't use this editor. We're lucky. We joined at a time when AWeber was a little bit different.
And we still got access to an old editor, which was...
Is it better,
or? A bit more WYSIWYG. I reckon it was easier.
Yeah, it's easier for us. Okay, so we don't need to change that because it's going to reference your Karatbars username.
Oh, so it does it automatically?
It does it automatically.
That's what that global snippet thing's about. It populates your entire...
It's like a mail merge. It's like a mail merge. You've
Okay.
ever done any mail merge with Microsoft Word where you have a whole list of names or fields you put in? It's just a fancy way of doing that. Okay, so let's scroll down. There's no other links here. So global first name. So we'll put your first name in here.
So as soon as it's in this bracket, this funny bracket, it goes. It
will appear as Matt.
Okay.
Yep. Yep, that's exactly right.
So that video too there, just that's a link too, isn't it?
No, it's not. No.
Okay.
It's not. So we save that one.
Oh no, that's in the text. That's right.
Yeah. Where does it go after you save it? Normally it's next. Save and exit. All right, so we'll just test that just to make sure that the 2 global text snippets that we know are in that, and then we'll just do one more, and then the rest will be pretty easy for you to do.
There shouldn't be.
So we'll send you a test.
Do you know if in that series, if there's any links that the global snippets doesn't populate?
Yeah, I think there are.
There are, I think.
I think there are.
So you just need to go through and check them all to make sure, be really thorough.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll have to check everyone. Yes.
It won't take you long.
But just something I'm not quite getting. Hang on, do this first, and I'll ask you in a minute.
Yeah, I'm just trying to send a test, and there we go. Can I send it to that address?
Yep, that's fine.
Okay, so that comes through the Outlook, does it?
Yep.
Do you want a water, Scotty?
Yes, please. That'd be great, thank you.
Did you want a water, mate?
Yes, please.
All right, so all we're checking here for is the 2 snippets. Okay. So one is the watch this, and if I put over it, you can see that it's got the correct link under there.
Yep.
And then it should say, sincerely, Matt.
Now,
Matt's a bit small, so you could go back and edit that and make it the same font size as that. That's only one thing you can do.
Does it have just go back into Outlook, scan the bottom, where my address is in there too.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Okay, just go into that second.
So here you'd want to put a photo of yourself and add that. You want to learn how to do that.
Okay, yep.
The most important thing is get the text right first through all of them, so all the links are yours, and then you can go back and add your photos and any customization.
All right.
Okay. So that one's done. So we can go into edit. Okay, so we're looking here. So hi there, global first name here. So that'll say hi there, Matt here. Okay. and
Thanks.
click this image. Oh, hang on. First of all, I need to click in this text box here.
That's right,
first.
to activate it.
To activate it, make sure that's not a link, because sometimes stuff underlined could be a link.
Oh, yes.
You just need to run your cursor over it.
Yeah.
But this is certainly a link.
Mm-hmm.
However, it's already a link to your global Carrot Bars username.
So it's got, yeah, that's right.
It's all,
Okay.
all hard-coded in there.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So I need to scroll down, checking for anything else. It's got that. Missed today's video. You can highlight that again and again.
Mm-hmm.
It's automatically going to send it people to the right page. Your
So
your
it's
customized
likely
page.
that they're all fine, but I just have to go over it to
Yes,
check.
that's right.
And then I can put, and you put pictures, like there were a picture at the end again.
It's a little bit annoying with the new editor because
Mm-hmm.
you can't put a picture. This is basically what's called a text block.
Mhm.
So in this editor, you've got to either have a text block, an image block, or any of those particular features, like a headline.
Oh, yes.
So if you want to put in a photo of you after that,
Yeah.
what you need to do is you need to copy this text out,
Uh-huh.
bring this box up, insert an image box, and then put another text box and put the PS below it. So it's quite a little bit fiddly.
Say that again.
If you want to insert a picture after the text here,
Mm-hmm.
you can't insert a picture into a text box.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to copy this, cut this text, put it into Notepad or somewhere, put it away.
Mm-hmm.
Then what will happen is this text box should come up, but if not, delete all the spaces.
Mm-hmm.
Then you just grab an image box, like you just grab an image, like
Yeah.
hang on. Need to click out. You need to grab an image box and put it here.
Oh, so there's image boxes, and then I can oh,
You've got to
okay. That's-
insert your photo. Well, why is it doing that? So there's an image box, so you can add that, and then you'll need to put in another paragraph box afterwards,
yeah.
and that's where your text would go. So what I can do is
Right.
I can do some of that here now.
Yeah, I learned something new too.
See,
mate.
this is, and we haven't had to do this because,
So
like Albie said, we had the old editor. Control X should be copy.
You know
Control
why
C.
Why did they change it?
control-
Because this is all HTML, isn't it?
Control C is copy, but Control X is cut.
Control V.
That's
Ah.
paste. Why is it not doing it? Sorry, Albie. I'll just.
I use always. Oh, that's cut. That's right. So
It's
X
not,
is.
it's not working. Control cut. It's not working inside here. That's really weird.
But it usually doesn't actually cut it out.
Okay, let's just do copy.
Yeah.
And I can
Okay.
double click in here. Oh, see, there's no paste appearing. That's weird. Just delete that. And just go back in here. Grab that. So I should be able to write.
Okay.
Where's that text box? There it is. I should be getting a. That's weird.
That's weird. Yeah.
I can't paste there. Okay.
Maybe you have to. Do you have to do it? Put it in here or?
No, I don't believe so. Ah, it's giving me the cut option now. That's odd. Right. That's the.
Maybe it's got a paste
That's
option.
it.
Now.
What's that one there? I don't know what that is. You'll click on this grey area here to get
Yeah.
back to these. Grab a paragraph. Let's put it down there. Oh, come on. Let's just do a delete. Why is it not doing that? Should be.
Imagine me trying to explain this
Oh
to you.
yeah. Just delete.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, how did you do it?
I just did it with the keys. I just
Oh,
positioned
okay.
the cursor right and got it.
That's weird.
So you've got that at the end.
Uh huh.
So now you can actually get rid of,
All this space.
delete all that space.
Mhm.
Whatever that is.
Get
I'm not
rid-
even-
That's probably an additional text box, isn't
It
it?
is, but I can't seem to highlight it. So normally you should. Okay. Anyway, you just click here, and this is where you can.
Maybe it has to
This is where you
update.
can edit your photo. Yeah, maybe
Okay.
the internet's a little bit slow. So
Yeah.
trouble
So I can get it from here basically. Upload a file.
Yeah, there's two ways to do it. There's the way Albi does it, which is host it on PhotoBucket.
Yeah.
Or if you have your own domain, like I do, I just load it up